So guys, this is how far I have gone. I just have that little space there to complete our back side. Okay, so this is me officially welcoming you guys to the episode 2 of this tutorial of this series, how you can actually make or ventilate a full lace in a way that you can use that full lace for all types of braid. Is it triangular braids that you want to do? You can use it. Is it cornrow? Is it boss braid? Is it knotless braid? Is it a half cornrow, half that is half down, half up? Abi, what is it called? Half cornrow, half boss braid. Anything you want to do, you can. When you follow this pattern, I'm going to show you guys in this video. This is actually episode 2 of this video. If you don't know how we started, so if you don't know how we started this journey till we get to this point, please watch the last video before this one. So when I say they can use this particular pattern for any kind of braid, is it triangular blades that you want to do, you can easily part it anyhow you want. Is it boss braid, you can do that. Is it Ghana weaving, anything at all, you can easily part it anyhow you want, any choice of yours. So now that we are done with the session 1, which is backside, now let's move over to the session 2. Okay, so we are not going to be following the vertical lines. Instead, we are going to be following the slash lines. If you look very well, you can see the slash lines there. You can equally see the vertical lines, but we are not following the vertical lines. Please guys, watch closely. Okay, watch closely, because this center side, this second section of a full lace, if you don't pay good attention, you might miss it. You might do a very terrible work. So just pay a good maximum attention is needed in this part. So I started with a slash line. You can call it slash line, you can call it diagonal line, you can as well call it the slanted line. Okay, remember we are skipping just a hole. So I started with a slash line and I have to take it up, after which I will skip one slash line again and then vent on the one after the one I skipped. You understand? So I'm going to be skipping now one slash line. Remember, I'm trying to create a step here. We're doing this step by step. Okay, this is me creating the base for the first step. Like we are building house here now, guys. We want to build a two-story, a three, okay, four. It was four-story building. That's what we are going to build here now. So this is me laying the foundation of the first story. Okay, I skipped one slash line and I went on the next slash line. So I'm going to skip the slash line after that and went on the one following it. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. Just watch closely. Like I said, maximum attention is needed in this part so that you don't miss it. Okay, because once you miss it, you might not like the outcome. All right, so I skip a slash line again and then I'll vent on the one after it. Remember, your strands of hair, if you are working with attachment, please, your strands should not exceed 2. But if you're working with hair, be it human hair or blend like me, you can exceed 2, but maximum of 3. And as well pick one and make sure your knots are tight. And by tighten your knot before you release your hair, if you don't know how to make a tight knot, please check my video on that. I've already done a video on how to achieve a tight knot. All right, so this is it. I'll skip a slash line now and then I'll vent on the one after it. So guys, if you followed me to this point and you are yet to hit that like button, please go ahead and hit the like button. Okay, comment, say something. Okay, encourage me, guys. It's not easy making all these tutorials for you guys. Alright, just encourage, say something encouraging. And if you want the episode 3 of this video, go ahead and drop in the comment section, I need episode 3, or episode 3 wanted, or just comment episode 3, because this is not the last part of this video. All right, and please, if you're yet to join my family by subscribing, on just hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost, it doesn't charge you anything. Just hit that touch the subscribe button. Okay, then turn on the notification bell to all, so that once I upload new tutorial videos like this, you will get notified. And if you have any question so far, okay, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. There's no how I will know your questions if you don't type them in the comment section, so I'll be able to answer you. So why, guys, why you vent, I will say this again. Please do not stress your eyes, I beg. Okay, I'm pleading with you guys, do not stress. Even in the process of venting or learning how to ventilate, do not stress your eyes. Make sure you are working in a well ventilated space. What I mean is this: make sure that you can see clearly. Use a natural light. It can come out of your house or stay by your window, open your window, but just make sure that you're not stressing your eyes. But if you must work at night, then make sure you're making use of a good lighting. Okay, make sure your light is okay. Do not stress. You know, the knots and the lines are very tiny, so do not stress your eyes trying to indicate or see the holes. So that's why you need, if you must work at night, please make use of a good lighting, or better still, work under the natural light only. So that is just an extra tip I want to share with you guys. So you see how easy ventilation is fun. Oh, ventilation is fun once you've mastered the techniques and everything on about air ventilation. You will definitely love this wonderful craft. So this is me now building, laying foundation for my third step. Remember, we are building 4-story building here, so this is me laying foundation for this fourth the third sorry the third step. So simply skip a slash line, vent on the next one, skip a slash line, vent on the next one, like that. And then for the hole, skip just one hole. I promise you guys, after this series, I'll definitely drop a video on how to count your holes and how to count your lines. So when I say skip a hole, you understand what I mean. When I say do not skip a hole, you understand. When I say skip 2 lines, you understand. 1 line, understand. So guys, this is episode 2 of this video. Episode 3 is on the way. I'm already editing that video. Okay, I have it standby, not just done with the editing, so it's coming right after this one. Thank you guys for following me to this point, following me in this journey. Okay, follow me by joining the family. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and please share my videos. For all that have been sharing, liking, commenting, subscribing, I really appreciate you guys. Okay, appreciate you guys. So thank you guys once again for watching, and see you guys in my next upload, which will be episode 3 of this series. Bye.